Hi guys, welcome to G Creations. Today I am going to explain about 5-step PowerPoint presentation. This presentation illustrates that nowadays how much percentage we are using those devices. One is the desktop computer, laptop, modern computer, mobile and tab. So guys, let's go for the creation. So insert, take the shape, hello, make it as a size, height and width. I am taking 12, each side 12, make it center, adjust. I think it is okay. Then remove the outline. Now take another one for subtraction. Take the rectangle, select and select the rectangle in format, subtract, sorry, little bit. We need to cover this one entire, subtract. Now it is okay. Arrange it middle. Now okay, now what we are going to do means insert some shapes. This one we are taking, little bit decrease the size. Now it is okay. Remove the outline. See this one. Control D for another, little bit back. Again Control D for another. Both the distance are same. Okay, Control D for another. Control D for another. Yeah. See, now what we are going to do means give the coloring. Now it is okay. The next what we are going to do, insert some icon, sorry, shape, oval shape we are taking. Make the size, better make the 1.7. Yeah, now it is okay. Remove the outline, give the coloring, and what I'm going to do means give the shape effect. Shadow effect I am giving inner. This is the 8 feet. 3D format. Giving this is okay. This one also we are going to give the coloring. Next this one also coloring. Give the coloring to all. Which color we gave here? Green and blue. So we are giving green for this one. Then again blue. This blue we are giving. As well as this one we need to create duplicate. Here also. Here. Adjust properly. Okay, now it is okay. Now here what we are going to do means we are going to give the coloring of this one, gradient effect, then delete this one. First what we are going to give means first this color, next one yellow, red little bit, then green, last one blue. So now it is okay. Now what we are going to do, give the outline, line width 2, then make it the white. See, now changing the background color, what we are going to change, pattern fill, what is the color, this color we are taking, this one we are taking, then this one line color, outer line color taking blue for visual purpose. Then next what we are going to do means small circles we are going to take, .4 I am taking, center, remove the outer line, take little bit bigger, 0.5, okay. Now Control D for duplicate, for this one yellow one, again for red, again for green, again for blue. We are going to give the coloring of this one. Same colorings we are giving. Green we are giving, this one blue. Now what we are going to do means we are going to give the lines, shape, take the line from here to here, Control D for same line to here, from here to here, Control D from here to here, another line from here to here. See, we need to adjust the line width, line size we are taking 2 we are taking, then dash type we are taking this one, color also we need to change, we are changing this color. Now it is okay. Size we need to little bit reduce, little bit, yeah, now looks good. Now what we are going to do means we are going to create circle. circle we are going to create. Eight by 8. So this circle, make it as a color, remove the outer line, make it as a white color, remove the outer line. Here what we are going to do, give the shape effect, inner. Then next what we are going to do, create another circle, seven point six, make it center, changing the line, center and middle. Select this circle and fill it, no fill. We are taking the outer line dash type. This one we are taking. Is enough. Another circle we are taking, Control D. 7.4 we are taking. Adjust this one. Sorry, 7.4. Change the dash type. Now it is okay. Now again what we are going to take means another circle. For outer circle, how much we are taking? 9 and I think 10 we are going to take. Send back. Take the alignment. Now it is okay. This one what we are going to do, in the shape effect, reflection, inner we are giving, change the coloring, change the color, pattern fill, give the coloring, which is better you will select those. It is okay. Here we can check which color we gave. This one. Here also we will give same. See guys, for this one what we are going to give the shape effect. inner side distance view, blur effect we are giving 50%. Now it is okay. Now what we are going to do, here we just adjust the icons as well as text boxes. Previously I imported the icons as well as I created the text boxes here. See this, copy the icons, paste here. One by one we need to place properly. Now another icons also we need to copy. Paste here, need to adjust. Just next what we are going to do means we are going to create the some small circles here for appearing purpose. Remove the outer line. For another, arrange properly. This arrangement is okay. This one also we need to arrange. Then next what we are going to do means import the text boxes. Copy and paste here. Adjust carefully. Adjust carefully the text boxes, adjusting one by one. See friends, adjustment is done. See friends, everything is done. Now what we are going to do means select and bring it down. We need to give the heading. See guys, this one, if you want to create also you can create by using this one. Thanks to everyone for supporting my channel. Please do like and share, subscribe my channel. If you anyone are having doubts regarding about my videos, you can approach me in comment box.